Hi guys, it's Eric at Satolli Carpet. Hope your family's healthy. Hope you've been able to stay safe through all of this, whatever this was, this chaos thing. Hey, listen, I'm told that your household received a stimulus check. That stimulus check is supposed to be spent in order to, build up the economy and take care of some of the losses. If my estimates are right, your household received between $2,000 and $2,500 in stimulus checks. You know what you can do with that? I'm not kidding here. You can get a wood look floor. This is vinyl plank flooring. It's an LVT. You've also heard it called laminate. You can get any of these kind of floors installed in your living room for probably around $2,000, $2,400, right in there. It's a beautiful floor. It will stay clean. It will look clean. It's beautiful. And when you come in, you should still be wearing your mask sometimes in public. We have ours. So come on down, talk to us. We'd love to be able to share some of our knowledge, some of our available stock, and everything's on sale right now. Come stimulate the economy with Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering in beautiful downtown Warren.